Do you struggle switching out grinder discs? Are you always fumbling to find the right wrench, only to grab the wrong one every time? You may suffer from grinder disc changeitis, but there is a cure. Ask your Medicare provider about... Hey guys, today we're going over this grinder quick change adapter by Superior Electric. This is a toolless quick change adapter for your angle grinder. It makes swapping out different grit flap discs a breeze. You don't have to keep track of all of those pin wrenches anymore. Just give this thing a little twist, and it's locked on. The device has some kind of mechanism in it. There's a textured pad at the bottom to grip onto the disc. Nice knurling around the edges. It even has 2 pinholes, so you can still use a regular grinder wrench if this gets stuck on. This comes in a 5/8 by 11 thread pitch, so you need to confirm the thread pitch of your grinder shaft before ordering one. Then you can just replace the factory nut with the adapter, and now you're good to go. One of the negatives on this is that it's considerably thicker than most factory grinder nuts. On a flap disc, which already has a recessed center, the adapter still sticks out. It's not sticking past the guard though, so it's not that big of a deal. It's much more noticeable when you're using a cutoff wheel. So if you're the type that's banging your nuts while grinding already, I could see this making it worse. It's also a hair wider than a standard grinder nut. The contact area on the bottom is the same size, but the top part that you grip to turn is a little larger. This could be an issue when working with discs that have a recessed center. You need to make sure it has some room in there, that it's gripping on the flat part of the disc. Now, so far it's worked fine on all of the discs that I've tried with it, but I haven't tried everything. It's also not going to work if you have a really deep recess, like on this polishing disc. There's just no way you could grip that nut to turn it when it's in there that deep. Also, you may have performance issues if you have a short shaft. On this DeWalt grinder, you can see here the shaft doesn't go all the way through, so it's not engaging on all the threads. I think it's still engaging enough. I haven't had it come loose. This Craftsman grinder is fine. Here it's almost flush with the shaft. But it's something to be aware of, especially if using thicker discs. There's also that grippy pad on the bottom. At some point that's gonna wear out, and it's just not gonna grip as good. So despite all of those caveats, do I still think that this is worth the 20 bucks? Yeah, I think I do. I'm not going to put one of these on every single one of my grinders. I'll probably just keep it on the one that I use with flap discs. It makes it way more convenient to swap out discs when you're running through the grits. They do make a cheaper version with the little lever that you flip out. I might try one of those at some point. It looks a little thinner. If you have a metric grinder, I don't see an offering from Superior, but I did find this knockoff version for 12 bucks. No idea if it's made by the same company or not. Alright, that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe if you like seeing unusual tools. Thanks for watching. Bye.